position now? Hello, Daddy. Why are he making that evil ass look? Like he's trying to raise somebody up.
You crazy as fuck, shawty, for real.
Like,
I was about to say that. Bonjour. So come on.
oh god, this better be something stupid. Why he got a whole setup like he planned this? He did.
We gonna be on fucking YouTube or something.
Watch. We better be on some documentary soon.
You gonna let me do my motherfucking thing? I'm bouncing around this bitch with all this money.
Yeah, he's hacking us right now. I'm scared.
I'm real scared.
What's your name?
There's our names.
Jada, and that's Wada.
That's Gavin.
Define fine shit. Define fine shit. Anything attractive.
Wait, rate our cousin. Put him in the phone.
Rate him.
Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So we just gonna have a staring contest? Are you one of those like TikTok people who's like, if you make me laugh, then I'll speak? Or does he have? He's got to have other papers. It can't just be hi. My name's Angel. What's up, Daddy?
I'm not out here risen up, man. They out here risen me, man.
You ever play? Hey, listen. You ever play Winnie the Pooh? Cause you can stick your hand in my honey pot. And what you know about baking? Cause Shotty, I'm trying to see you strip.
Let's go.
There we go. It's allowed. A win's a win. Only if you glaze them.
Glaze me! Glaze me!
What's a honey bun without ice? Hey, Shotty, you can be the target to my vanilla sundae, cause I swear you gotta be ice cream. And what position now?
Oh, say like
VIP.
You got more papers? Come on, bring the papers. Bring the papers. If only you can make it bounce. I can beat a ball, but can you dribble? Where's the at? Drop the low. What, you only thought this through so far until somebody actually down for it, and then you're like, wait a minute, oh no, what do I do? Yeah, get a piece of paper, get one of your crayons and get one of your papers and write this down.
They call me the greatest.
Bro, you crazy. I'm not gonna lie with you.
And he over here looking like a Chipotle bag too, damn near edible.
Let's get straight to it. On my mama, we lit. What you mean?
You were a Happy Meal, I'd be twice as happy.
Where you from, by the way?
Huh?
Where you from?
Where am I from?
Yeah,
I'm
where
from
you from?
Indiana.
Shit. I fuck with you though. You a vibe. Okay.
she know what she wanted and had to go get it without being caught.
That's what you got.
I guess not.
Friendship. Is on about me. Oh, thank you. goddamn fucking papers. You might as well put a goddamn heart on the paper too.
My nigga.
You gonna piss me off. From Florida. You got great character. You're moving a little fast. You. I don't even know how old you are. Oh shit, he got it on the paper. Oh, he's writing it next to me. You. Oh, period, girl, I love your paw. Period, don't play with him. Yeah, I'm not asking for your height. Oh, you bitch.
We all know what's going on here. It's just implied, but we all know what's going on in this thought bubble. The kids don't know, but we do.
He owe you entrance. Entrance?
Right, that. He owe me that. So.
Don't let me talk. Oh, you got a neck tat? Let me see. Let me see your neck tat.
What?
I want to see your neck tat.
That's when I say gay.
Yes! The fuck? It's gay, nigga. It's gay, nigga. Y'all tripping. Y'all fucking up my shit. Look. Yacht. What the fuck? Gay. You can't fucking read, nigga. You can't read, nigga. What the fuck you? What the fuck? Look. G-A.
Okay, I have read it. I have read it, okay?
Your friend tripping. We don't do that shit around here, bro.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Never stop. What's up?
What is it supposed to mean?
Because I like them both.
No.
I like my men black and my women white. Call me an Oreo.
Bro, you killing me right now. No, God, you killing me.
Swear to God, I don't like white dudes and I don't like black women.
So
I only like white women and black men.
Why you like black men? Like, why? Why you like black men?
Black men have always been a vibe that never done me dirty. And last time I was with a white dude, the dick was trash, the dude was trash, and everything about it was just like trash. And he lost me at the lack of melanin.
God damn.
Oh, say that. My throat is just like one of them. My throat is killing me right now. So crispy.
Why aren't you talking? Like, don't piss me the fuck off.
Yo. How do you sit in front of the light? Oh my God, here we go with this shit. Hello. I know you speak. My name is Trinity. What is your name? Boy, what is you?
They forgot that I'm him.
Is it cool? I'm from Tennessee. Where is you from? Type shit.
I look good. I look good. I look delicious.
Do you do this for everybody?
Wow! Beautiful!
I visualized it like it. How many females have you got? We can't even link. You nowhere near it.
It's one of the newest exclusive hotels.
Let me drive the boat.
Motherfucker doing with that? What is you doing? Do you get something out of this? You took. Oh, you looking for that one paper? Get my number? Let me get your number.
Calling my phone. I done told you before that it's
Talking about. That's why he's MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Why are you looking like that?
What you mean?
You just like, I don't know.
She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Okay, clock it.
What the?
Yo.
What the fuck? What? What's she talking about, bro?
She like me a bad bitch. You is a bad bitch.
Don't do that, bro. Y'all the bad bitches. Don't do that. That's crazy.
You is pretty.
Hell no, bro. Y'all the fine shit right now.
You're ball. I can't be no one's ball. I don't trust men. Alright, bitch.
What?
This generation ain't shit for me. Trust me. I'm married to my money. That's funny. Life is too short, let's swing. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, you look gorgeous. Don't you look real? Are you real? The egg I'm making. Hi. Yo, we definitely. If I see myself on TikTok tomorrow, where are you from? I'm from Georgia. I'm from Jamaica. No, we on TikTok. Oh, excuse me. My name's Jerry Berry. Name. Pat Rice. Daddy. Hello, Daddy.
Let's go home, ladies and gentlemen.
That's my no shit.
I got action. Come look at this.
She don't call me baby boo.
God damn! Again!
Oh, all three. Wait, why are you not talking to him? Because he don't speak English.
Chicago.
Oh, Chicago. Let me spell fun shit and where you from? Why did you be like that?
What's your name? Destiny. Ashley. Naya. Naya. Doggy.
Why aren't you talking? Thank you. Why aren't you talking? No. What? What's in here? You're mute. You need to eat. You're deaf? Josie.
You smiling at me? I must look real good because you can't stop smiling. Like, nigga, you cheesing too hard. Either you love me, like, love is a strong word for me not to know you.
What? And I love you.
Oh, that's sweet. You gonna do another sign? Let me see. Let me see the next sign. I want you to be my boo. You want me to be your boo?
Oh, say life.
VIP.
Who you want you to be your boo? Who? Which one? Me? 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 Fine shit.
Well, I know he ain't got this shit already written down. No, for real, he is not writing that. Leilani, what's your name?
My name's Giovanni.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Cute with you right? Where you from, by the way?
Stop playing with me. Is that big fat?
Is that what?
I was just looking for the sports channel, Gary.
What that tongue
I'm
can
20.
What that 10 can do? What a 10 can do?
What a what?
I said, what can that tongue do? Like, you...
What can my tongue do? Taste food and drinks?
You sure about that?
Yeah, well.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty.
Lame ass niggas, bro. Shit, that's how you gonna do to me? That's how you gonna do to me? God damn, girl. God damn, man. Where you from? Huh?
I'm from Indiana.
From Indiana? Shit. You like that shit, huh?
Oh my.
You ever get black meat before?
Get what?
You ever get black meat before?
No.
Shit, you want some black in you? Huh?
No, I like my meat medium rare.
So what you trying to say? My shit small?
No, like medium rare. Like I like my steak medium rare.
So you don't like that size shit? That's what you're trying to say?
I don't know, like medium rare steak good. Like,
nah, I'm not asking you about that, shorty. I'm trying to say, do you like that? Do you like that big? You know what I'm saying? Or you can't?
To be honest, like,
or you can't handle that shit.
You just gotta know how to work with it, for real, you know.
I'm Jamaican. I know to work that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Like, I mean, if you, like, bro, if you can make me nut, then you
look. I'm gonna show you a demonstration, shorty. Like I'm on. What the fuck?
It's big on that 2
What's good?
Nothing, just chilling. How about you?
Damn, that voice. Shit. Where you from? I said, where you from?
From Mexico.
From Mexico. God damn, you Latina, some shit like that? For sure. So what's your name?
Bia. Well, everyone just calls me Bia. My legal name is Amaya.
Oh shit, so I can call you my B then, right?
I got you.
Shit. Oh, I'm from Jamaica. Oh my. Yo. What's good?
Damn.
What? What the fuck? What you say that for? Like, God
Why is
damn.
so red? Hold on.
What? Your ladies, you got it red light.
So
Okay,
red.
we met. Okay, we on that demon time shit. You know what I'm saying? We on that
Well, I'm
time.
not on demon time.
I'm just saying.
not on
I'm just
demon
playing.
time.
I'm just
trying
playing.
to match. I was just trying to match your color. Like, I was trying to match your color. I'm not even on no demon
So you're not
time.
trying to match my energy? That's what you're trying to say?
I'm just saying, like, I'm not even on it.
You look good, by the way.
Like,
No
I'm
lie.
just trying to vibe. Like, I'm not even on it. But
I'm just fucking with you. You look good, by the way.
thank you.
What's your name?
Wait, Lonnie, what's your name?
My name's Giovanni.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Cute with you, you right? Where you from, by the way?
Stop playing with me.
They must have amnesia. They forgot that I'm him.
I'm from Kansas.
From Kansas? Shit. I'm from Jamaica, you get me?
Oh.
Yeah, what go on,
okay.
man? Yo, man, I like still move from looking at AI. You see, your body just shit good. You see me? Me and you for there to hear.
Don't miss, man.
He's good.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I know you don't understand shit I just said.
I have never spoken to somebody from Jamaica before.
For real?
How is it down there? Because I was planning on
Bro,
coming down there.
we just got young. You know, young boy, right?
Mhm.
He was in Jamaica too. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro, it's a vibe, man. It's crazy out here. There's a lot of tourists gonna be here in the summer too, so you hear me? Shit gonna be lit.
I was planning on going to Jamaica though, like dead ass.
For real? You just capping.
Yeah.
You just capping.
I'm being dead ass. Like,
You being serious?
me and my family, like we actually did plan on going to Jamaica.
Okay, cool.
But I just don't know when. I don't know, like specifically. I don't know when.
Alright.
Yeah,
So how old you is?
I'm 18.
You 18? Very cool. Type shit. So like, what's your vibe?
Damn, I wish I was out there right now, cause like I would have been having some.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you, the summer is gonna be lit, bro. I'm telling you, man. The summer's gonna be.
But why the fuck is summer going by so fast? Cause then it's like.
Bro, the
like
time
kids
is
will-
moving so fast. I don't know what to tell you. I swear to you. I don't know. For real. So like, can I get your number or some shit like that? Cause I want to tap in with you. You get me?
Yeah, you can put your number at the bottom.
Oh shit, you gotta type it in. I guess.
No, you type it.
Oh my god, bro, we not gonna do that. Stop it, please. Just type your shit in.
Now.
Don't do that. For real, type it in.
You type it in.
Bro, that I don't know. It just feel a way.
Just tell.
It just feel a way for me to like do that. It's I don't know. It just kind
tell me it. Just tell me.
See, I'm different. Like if you need me, just call me. I don't care.
I might have to get closer to the screen, cause yeah.
So you trying to get close to me? You not gonna answer me? You not gonna answer me?
You is very. Why are you looking at me like that?
What you mean?
Get the at name for me.
I mean, you just looking like.
Stop. But can you look good? You get what I'm saying? Well, a nigga can't look at something that look good, huh?
Oh, bro. I mean, I ain't say that, but it's like I kind of get nervous. So like, don't be looking at me like that.
What is supposed? But I'm just. That's how I be looking. I swear to God, you hear me?
Oh.
Been looking like that, yeah.
So this it right here?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, yeah.
Say my name, Foundny. Matter of fact, just say my name is Daddy. You hear me? Yeah.
Wait.
From Jamaica. For sure.
Say your name is what?
Daddy from Jamaica.
Oh, damn.
My mama, you give me.
You say you don't know my name?
Huh?
Did you just say that you don't know my name?
No, I didn't say that. Oh my god.
Oh, my bad, my fault. I thought you
said it. How tall you is, by the way, though?
Damn, I might be short as hell. Well, to you.
How tall you is? What?
But I'm 5'4".
I like that. Fun size is the right size, right? You can make a lot of shit work, right? But you ever heard about Jamaica and what they say about Jamaica, man?
What they say?
Maybe you gotta come here to find out. I know I got something you gonna love. You give me.
So you like this name?
What I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Yeah.
Like that?
Tight shit, you get me? Daddy from Jamaica. I'm gonna call you mama too, you get me?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm dead. Oh
For
my
real, for real.
god.
I'm just curious. Can I ask you a question? I don't know.
I can tell you asking a lot of questions. Well, not a lot, but you know, you asking a couple.
Yeah, I'm trying to see what you're working with. You give me. Cause you look like you got something. I don't know. I'm trying to find out. Yeah, I mean, I look point. I mean,
you know, actually, I got a question.
What?
I got a question.
What's that?
Matter of fact, let me come close to it. So, everybody says that I have D-sucking lips. So, do I have D-sucking lips?
Huh?
Okay, everybody says that I have dick-sucking lips. So, do I? Or no?
I don't know. You kinda.
Like, everybody says that, like...
So, wait. Let me ask the question. I'm gonna just be straight up with you. You feel me? Can you suck dick good?
Yes.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
What's up?
Hey.
Where you from?
Wisconsin.
Damn, why you looking like that? God damn. You look good.
what I'm gonna say. What you mean? What do I look like?
Oh, you look good. That's what I'm trying to say.
Good. I better look good.
I'm from Jamaica, by the way. Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. Why you look at me like that when I say that?
Cause I love Jamaica, like what?
For real? You been here before?
Yeah, I want to go there again.
Oh, say less.
What? Look, I don't want to be weird and shit. Can I get your number? Is that okay?
Yeah, you can use that number.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
You look good. I don't know lie, cause I was like, God damn.
Thank you. Let me come live with you.
I don't think you would like that. I'm gonna tell you right now.
I like you better than anything but here.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
Anything but the US, please. Well, isn't
There's a lot of shit going on. I know.
No, there's hella shit going on.
Bro, that's why I'm not trying. I wouldn't say I wouldn't visit, but like, god damn, there's a lot of shit. I'm like, nah.
Not Trump.
But there's a lot of y'all gonna be here in the summer.
Yeah, no, we gonna be traveling. Either just call us dead.
Don't say that. I don't wish that. I'm gonna pray for you.
I know, but real shit. The motherfucker's stupid.
How tall you is, by the way?
Like 5'2".
I like that.
You said what?
I like that. I can pick you up.
Yeah.
I'm 5'11", so yeah. And you know what they say about Jamaican men, right? So.
I mean, I've heard something.
What you heard? Tell me what you heard.
I've heard that y'all freaky. That's like a big one, but I'll leave that at that. I know I did see this one girl, she went there and she was like, they're very respectful,
Yeah, we is respectful. We respectful.
Yeah,
like,
I heard you guys are respectful. It's very like fun. You guys have a lot of stuff to do.
Yeah, but we respect y'all, man. We take care of you.
I heard them bitches know how to throw that ass.
You can throw that ass too. What you mean?
I mean, I can, but not like that. Not like that.
Well, maybe when you come here next time, so we get somebody to teach you. Oh, yeah, guess what? I'm gonna work out with you. I'm gonna show you how to throw it back. You give me. I like you. You know that. I like you.
I can.
You got that look.
Do I really though?
I'm gonna come. Oh.
I'm gonna actually call you, but you have to give me like. What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it for you?
It's 1:50.
It's the same time.
Okay.
So, do you work tomorrow or anything?
That was easy.
Like,
I'm not even fucking feeling this shit. Shake some ass. Shake some ass. Please shake some ass, bro. Yeah. Easy ass bitches, bro. God.
Is that dick fat?
Is that what?
Is that dick fat?
What you talking about?
That dick?
I'm Jamaican. What you think? Yo, bro. What the fuck? This girl is my dick fat. That shit crazy. Fucking God, nigga.
hey, daddy.
I'm just about to go to bed.
Hey, big daddy.
The fuck? I want me to turn
Please,
Big Daddy. Eh?
Please.
Please don't respond today.
What am I telling our big daddy now?
What you say?
I'm on your daddy.
Jamaican man, Jamaican man. You Jamaican? I like that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Why? But why you say that shit, by the way, though? Why you say that shit, by the way?
Wait, see your Instagram?
Huh?
Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. See your Instagram?
Huh?
Can you send your Instagram in the chat?
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Barely, man.
You want just get the number?
Huh?
You want to just get the number? Or no, like,
I'm trying to get everything right now.
Huh?
I'm trying to get everything.
Alright, so like, you gonna come to New Orleans one day?
To where?
New Orleans.
Yeah, fine. Thing cook for your mama. Everything is in it. Curry goat, curry chicken.
But I was supposed to come to Jamaica my birthday.
Wow.
Bro, this is fucking weird.
Put your hat on.
What?
Put your hat on like straightforward. What?
Hell no. Can I put you like that?
What?
Can I put you like that?
Yeah.
Bring your ass then, come. Bring your ass.
Them? Fuck off. No, you fine as fuck. What the fuck?
Cold. She belongs to the street.
Let me go to bed. Fine shit. Appreciate it. Hey, thank you. Oh, how cute. How you do it like that? What this? No, he didn't do that. He did like this. Florida, why you don't speak? You don't know English? You deaf? I see it on the thing. Why does that say my name? That just said Jamaica. What? It said Jamaica. I thought I seen it. That cut water. Daddy.
They must have amnesia. They forgot that I'm him.
You don't talk, he's talk. Nigga just trying to be nonchalant. Like, you know English? That nigga know English. He black as fuck. Look at him. Oh, you deaf? No, you're not deaf. Like, so what? You just don't. Frank, you know, he hear what we saying. Look, that nigga black. He know 19. He know how to speak. Oh, maybe he doing a little application first. Bruh. It's an application and then an application. For real. Like, that's how strict his program is. That's right. Yeah. Check. Oh, shit, that's when you got me fucked up. I think you just fucked up. And I was fucked up. Like, you laughing and shit. You think this shit is a joke? You should feel ashamed. Embarrassed. I love you. That's that manipulative. That's that narcissist shit, yeah.
Oh my god, y'all shit fucking up, bro.
I think today's like the first time they call me out of my house. Hello. Are you serious? You don't speak. What? Okay, what are you saying? Where does it say I'm from? Where does it say I'm from? Where does it say I'm from? It says New York, right? Why are you asking me that? What does it say?
Yo.
Yo, that nigga fine as fuck.
I look good. I look good. I look delicious.
No, I'm ugly as fuck. Hell no.
No, you fine as fuck.
I'm ugly as fuck. Don't do that. Where you from?
Wait, can I give you my Snapchat?
Come on, man. That's too easy.
Anything you wanna do, shorty?
Will you add me?
For sure. Where you from?
Canada, Alberta.
I'm from Jamaica. You feel me?
I was supposed to be in two. Yo! Now speak with your mouth. What's up? Fuck. You trying to make sure we not robots? Fuck no, I'm not trying to get my IP address took. I'm Texas. New York. Why you always lying? New York. The fuck are you talking about? I'm from the Bronx. I'm so sorry. My name is Liliana.
She call me daddy, I don't even know her mama.
Oh, bitch, she not from the Bronx.
Liliana. I'm from Miami, okay? Real shit, I'm from Miami. I'm sorry. Fine shit, thank you, type shit. That's my friends. You know what I'm saying? Get mine. Thanks, okay. And you can get him too, like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what I'm saying? If you fuck with that type of shit. Yeah, it's cute. No, I think it. Most definitely not. I guess you have honey buns. The honey buns is good vibe. Thanks. Oh, come on. I'm gonna troll people and be like, I just talked to them. Bad. Be my. Yeah. He was hot. No, he seemed too desperate, bro. Bitch, I was desperate, bro. He could have been my daddy. Stop, Phil. Keep it going. What's your name? Riley. Where are you from? Then we got all the questions pretty much ready. I'm from Texas. Texas Roadhouse sounds so good right now, bro. Fine shit. Low key. Show me that. Show me that.
Yeah. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go.
You got it. Daddy. I'm scared what's to come next. like the snack. Hello. What's up, nigga? The fuck? Jamaican ass nigga. Are you speaking your English? Nah, you gotta speak to me. I don't know nothing about no paper. You know how to talk. You know how to talk. Your mouth. Use your mouth. You know. You don't know how to talk? Stop lying. Why you can't talk? Why? You're... What does that mean? I'm 19. How about you? Who's 5'2"? You? You short. I'm taller than you.
You got it.
You're not no daddy. But listen though, why can't you talk? I wanna know that. Why can't you talk? I know. Yeah, I know I'm fine shit. Why can't you talk though? What? What does that mean? I don't know how to say it in English.
What you talking about?
I'm Dominican.
What you
So
talking
you say you're playing with me? I'ma fuck you up.
Come on, fuck me up. What you doing?
Huh?
Get your ass here. Come fuck me up.
You're from where?
I'm from Jamaica.
Okay, so why wasn't you talking?
No. I was stuttering.
Why you doing that weird shit?
I be fucking around.
Don't be fucking around with me. Fuck around with the next person.
I'm not 5'2", by the way.
How tall?
I'm 5'11".
Okay, so why you lying?
Bro, this shit fake. What you talking about? We're just fucking old trolls.
You a bored motherfucker. Just doing shit.
Come light on my
What you doing on this app?
Looking for you.
Yo, you a flirt. What you doing on this app?
Where you say you from?
Huh?
What you say you from?
I'm from Massachusetts.
You Mexican? That's what you said?
Who's Mexican?
What did you say? I don't remember.
I didn't say none of that to you.
What's your ethnicity?
I'm Dominican.
I mean, you got that thick shit, right?
Yep. There you go. You Jamaican niggas love these big bitches.
Cause we got that big dick, you feel me?
I love it, period. As y'all should.
What you know about Jamaican niggas?
I don't know, but you gonna show me.
Yeah, we skinny too, that's the point, you feel me? Like,
huh?
We skinny ass niggas too, you feel me? So
I love me a skinny nigga.
for sure.
I hate fat niggas. They got no dick.
That's their fault. I don't know what to say.
Exactly. That's why I stay away from you. I come to y'all.
So let me get your number then.
You can get my Instagram.
I'm not going fuck no.
You can get my Instagram.
If you fuck with me that much, give me your number.
My nigga.
What you mean? I just
Girl,
met
I'm not
you.
gonna stop. So what's the? It's the same fucking thing.
Huh?
It's the same shit.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my number.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss. No. In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
Yeah.
For sure.
How old are you? 20?
I'm older than your ass, girl.
I'm asking you.
Could be your daddy, you know that.
Okay, that's okay. I like him older, but how old are you?
What's your type? What, you like black
I don't
niggas?
got a type. I love him black.
I can really make your bitch fuck sit down. Bitch possibly better. Me do ya. What I? In here. I told you Philly. I said Philly. Yeah, we're gonna go right back out. Yeah, don't say her quiet either. Why am I saying my name to this nigga?
You bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up, if I knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey!
Ooh, fucking you up, you? Yeah, that's next. What's up? I don't love you. I'm lucky smoking. I might mute. So, like, okay. Just for a little bit. I'm gonna talk though. Alright. No. 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 And no.
find somebody else.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
What are you looking at? I'm on Monkey and he's talking about shake some ass. Oh, what? What? Hey, hell no, literally. And I told him somebody else. He's talking about no. It ain't a choice for you. It's a choice for me. What's he doing like? Like, I want to clap them to you're dragging it. You're dragging it. I'm just kidding.
Talo.
Bye. What's up? My name's Elena. Jasmine. Daddy?
Don't make me act up. You don't make me do something I'm gonna regret.
Jersey.
Fine shit.
Thank you.
Too fast, bruh.
Stop the count right now! Stop the count!
What? Look like you're getting interrogated by someone. That is like fine shit. Nah, that's you. Dudley, how about you? Oh, alright.
Get the at name for me.
What's your name? Jasmine. How about you? Well, I knew that was coming. What tattoos you got? What? You want to say it? Ain't your real name Giovanni? What's the tattoo right here say? Behind your ear. Me, my, What about the one on your arm? No, it don't say that on your arm. It don't say that on your arm. It's a full name. It's a name. I know what the name looks like. You ain't fooling me. I know what tattoo names look like. It's not I love you. Because if it was said I love you, it would have been an I, then it was here, Dale, like that. Hello? Get that money up, not your funny up, okay? Okay? I'm not fucking playing with you. Alright? I'm just saying. What's up? But I'm just saying. Get that money. Get into that bag. Like, what? Have a nice day. I don't. Thank you. Genre, le gars, il m'a demandé des photos et des vidéos.
Northwest France.
J'ai envoyé. Et j'ai fait quoi? Slap. Fuck off. Excuse me. Interrupting your phone. You can't speak. It's cool. Your tattoo's cool after all. look nice. Yeah, they look nice. Jazz, what it be? Cause I'm cool. Virginia. Hope well. Don't nobody know that shit. I know you don't know where that's from. I don't believe it unless it's said out loud. You know, actions don't mean shit unless like it gotta add up. Nah, fuck that shit. Niggas, they be lying and they don't know how to say shit. That shit lying, you lying. I don't say that shit. Balls is whack. I don't want to be nobody fucking bone. I'm a grown lady. I don't want to be nobody bone. I want to be somebody's woman. Somebody's wife. I'm not fine shit. I'm beautiful. Who taught y'all that shit? That shit ain't cute. I'm pretty. I'm not fine shit. Yeah, I'm not fine shit. I'm pretty. You gotta tell me your name. No, hell no. Daddy talk. Daddy talks around this bitch. Daddy talk. I don't know who the fuck you are because you're not talking. I don't know your name for real. I said pussy niggas don't say shit. Shut up. That's where I'm from, that's what they say. Pussy niggas don't say shit. So, are you a pussy nigga? Just give it pussy nigga. Because you're not saying shit. I don't even like that. I'm not even like that to call you that. I'm not gonna lie, I will beat your ass, girl. Ooh.
I will beat your ass. See, I'm different. Like if you need me, just call me.
There you go. There you go, Zaddy. There you go, Zaddy.
She call me daddy, I don't even know her mama.
So you can't eat the dick?
Yeah, I can't eat that.
On that big ass flash in the fucking camera.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was the best reaction I've seen all day.
Oh my god, why? Why would you do this to me right now?
You're teasing me, naughty not.
What am I doing?
Oh my lord, like, why you got all of that shit in my face like right now?
Where am I putting it?
My bad. Where you from?
New Orleans.
New Orleans. What's your name?
Destiny.
You look good by the way, but god damn, you just added all that shit I want to see, but damn. I'm from Jamaica by the way.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
You live there now?
Yeah, Mr. Walk on baby now like me living your life now. You see it? See this I smile and look cute right now.
How old are you?
I'm 19. How old you?
18.
For sure. What's the vibe? What's the vibe?
What you mean?
Like, what you doing? What's the vibe?
I'm just laying here.
Shit. How tall you is, by the way?
Huh?
How tall you is?
5'3".
Shit. You short as shit. But I fuck with that.
I'm not short. I'm tall.
You 5'3", bro. I'm taller than you by
That's
4
tall.
I'm 5'11".
You're short. Like what?
What the bro, I'm like the fucking, I'm up here and you down there. Like, how am I short?
Alright, don't play with me.
I love short girls, so I don't even cuss about that shit. And you look good, so you get me.
I'm still tall.
Okay, you tall. Okay, fine.
Thank you. See? You see we getting somewhere.
Oh my god.
We getting somewhere.
So you got a Snapchat or Instagram, man? Cause I want to tap in with you.
I got IG. I don't have a Snapchat.
Well, let me get your Instagram, man.
I'm gonna type it in.
So what you gonna be doing after this shit?
I don't even know. Probably watch TV.
So what time is it over there right now?
12:33 in the morning.
Oh shit, it's the same time.
You got it.
Come on, man. That's too easy.
What's good? Can you talk? What's that in your mouth? Shit, you gonna suck me up like that? Huh?
Hello.
What's good?
What's poppin'?
Where you from?
North Carolina.
Shit. So what's the vibe? What you up to right now?
I'm chilling right now.
Shit. How old you is?
I'm 18.
Sure. Damn, what you smoking?
My babe.
Bro, get yourself some weed, bro. Get yourself some weed. That shit fucked up.
I used to smoke weed. I stopped smoking though.
So what's this? This is the same fucking thing you're doing right now.
Okay, but I'm saying I stopped smoking weed.
Shit.
Because like I started to lose my appetite. I don't know. Like I used to smoke a lot. I started to lose my appetite and shit. And then
What type of appetite
I wasn't
is
eating
that?
shit.
You're not eating. You're not eating the weed. So what are you talking about? Huh?
I said.
What are you talking about?
I said I used to smoke a lot, right? And I said I started to lose my appetite, so I didn't want to eat nothing. Like I wasn't eating shit. And so I got dehydrated, and then I started passing out and shit because I wasn't eating shit.
So you can't eat the dick?
Yeah, I can't eat that.
You can't eat the dick for real?
Yeah.
Shit. Damn. So can you eat mine right now? It's waiting on you.
What?
I said my shit is waiting on you right now. Oh my. Whoa, why you look good, mama? Why you making that face? You. Yeah, with all that white shit you give me. For real. Where you from?
Atlanta.
What?
Atlanta?
Oh shit. So what's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Kaya.
Can you be mine? Huh? Can you be mine?
You don't even know me.
I'm trying to get to know you. That's what I'm saying.
Why you got that damn flash on, that big ass flash in the fucking camera?
You bitch, shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey.
I'm trying to get to know her, bro. I'm not talking to you, my nigga. I'm not talking to you, my nigga.
Okay, turn the flash on.
I'm talking to you. I'm talking to she.
I'm
talking to bro. Wait.
Can you turn the flash off?
Huh?
Can you turn the flash off?
I dare you to fucking touch it. I dare you ass to touch it. Hell no. Bro, stop playing with me.
I'll give you my IG, okay?
Yeah, alright, let me get your number.
Bitch, you can
Who
get
you
my
calling a
IG,
bitch?
bitch.
Hey, don't talk.
You can get my number.
Don't talk in Jamaican voice pa you know. Don't run put me hear me after that. Call me fucking still.
I don't understand what you're saying, bro.
That's what I'm trying to say, bro. I'm Jamaican, my nigga. I'm Jamaican, bro.
It's not your language and shit. I don't speak that
Let me get
shit.
fine shit number, bro. Just let me lock in with her, twin. Just let me lock in with fine shit. You get what I'm saying? Shit.
A bomba clat.
You're not the worst. Bumbo cloth, you know what I say? Good. Shit, you tweaking, bro. But you look good, mama.
Okay, can you turn the flash off?
I'm gonna tap in with you later, baby.
He recorded your stupid ass.
Cause she look good. You get what I'm saying?
Ah, got you, little dumbass. Bye.
Oh, wow.
Why what?
What? Huh?
What?
Why?
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 Why what?
Oh my God, man.
What?
Shit, you dark as shit, man.
Oh, you playing on
I even can't see your ass, my nigga. You dark as shit. Damn, you blend in with the dark. Damn. I'm trying to see if you look good, but I can't see you. It's my bad. I don't know.
The fuck do you look good? You got that bird ass light on.
I know, bitch. I'm ugly as shit. Suck my slinky ass dick. Fuck you talking about?
That's stab you.
What you talking about, bro? You glazing. Glazing, bro.
Yeah, people still wear Puma. Bro, that was not me, girl.
Oh my God, damn.
Oh my God.
Those shit are popping, man.
That shit popping.
Shit.
That forehead popping.
Let me get a load of that shit. Let me get a load of that shit, man. Let me get a load of that, bro. Oh shit. Yo, weird.
What you say?
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to that other stupid ass person, bro.
Oh.
Where y'all from?
North Carolina.
Why she smiling like that?
Cause she want that dick, that's how.
Sorry.
I think I'm pregnant. I'm sorry, that was the best reaction I've seen all day. Is it because you can't see?
Bitch, you dark as shit. I don't care with that.
Hello?
Let me see that tongue.
You're not scary, like, put that shit away.
Let me see that tongue.
Yeah.
Let me see that tongue.
Huh?
Let me see that tongue.
Toe?
Let me see that tongue, bro. That tongue plate. That's what I'm talking about. Let me see that shit.
Mama, she was the one busting it down on me. What are you doing?
Shit it is. What the hell you doing?
What are you doing?
You being weird. You being weird with your shit. Huh? How I'm being weird? Bro, you was the one with all that shit. I don't even know what you was doing.
Cause I can't.
What?
Cause I can't.
So what you trying to say?
I wasn't trying to say anything.
What you mean? What you trying to say? Huh? What you was saying? That's how you gonna be? That's how you gonna be with your mans, baby? Stop playing with me, okay? Don't do that. You weird, bro. You weird. You weird, bro. You weird. Sure.
Huh?